Hatha Yoga is a practice where you try to attain perfection in the physical body to achieve a better spiritual growth. Practicing Hatha Yoga increases strength, flexibility and balance. It's also possible to strengthen the core muscles, relieve stress and sleep better with the practice of Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga has numerous benefits. If you're a beginner, I'm here to show you a couple of easy poses. Practicing the poses under someone's guidance is advised. Our first pose for today is Tadasana or mountain pose. This pose also boosts energy and improves the overall posture. It works on improving focus and balance as well. Let's begin with the pose by standing with the feet parallel to each other a few inches apart. While standing, touch the base of your big toe, press your heels down into the mat. Now slowly lift and spread your toes and the balls of the feet. From here, you're going to take the arms up towards the ceiling, keeping your biceps next to your ears. Continue to lengthen the spine and very slowly as you bring the arms down, drop the heels back down on the mat. You should feel the energy being drawn up towards the ceiling. When you slowly release your arms and bring the heels down, relax and catch your breath, and you can repeat this about 3 times. We'll move on to the next one, Padahastasana or standing forward fold pose. This pose strengthens the thighs and the knees. It also elongates the spine and relieves tension from the lower back. Also, this is not an ideal pose for you if you have abdomen hernia or sciatica. Let's start with this asana. Stand straight in a comfortable position on your yoga mat. Keep your arms by your side and your chest open. Slowly, let's inhale. Let's raise the arms up. Take them overhead. While doing this, ensure that your biceps are next to your ears and your shoulders relaxed. Maintain a straight and firm posture without becoming too stiff. With both the palms facing each other, we're slowly going to begin to fold forward, trying to bring your abdomen close towards your thighs, and if you can, trying to touch the forehead towards the knees. And if you can't, that's absolutely fine. Drop your entire weight and we'll hold here for about 15 to 20 seconds. Come back to the original posture, take your arms up and release, bring them down by the side. You can repeat this asana once again. The last pose for today is Halasana or Plough pose. Halasana stretches your spine and tones the back muscles as well as enhances flexibility in the muscles and the joints. Let's get into the posture right away. Lie on your back with your palms facing down. You're just going to bend into one knee and then the other. Using momentum, lift your hips up and immediately place your palms on your lower back. From here, you're just going to slowly begin to drop your feet back, gently moving your feet up overhead, coming into a 180-degree angle. And if you can't touch your toes to the mat, that's absolutely fine. Practicing this posture consistently will help you reach there. Until then, just keep your back parallel to the ground. You may definitely find this difficult at first, but give it a try. With each steady breath, hold this pose and allow your body to relax. Before coming out of the posture, just drop your knees towards your ears and slowly roll out. So that's it for today, guys. If you practice these poses long enough, you will be able to perfect them one day. Till then, keep following us and learn more about yoga asanas. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.